Good morning, students. I hope everyone is fine and preparing for the exams. So, better let's start a revision of next chapter. That is chapter number 6, Living and Non-Living Things. Today we will revise chapter Living and Non-Living Things. So we see many things around us. Some are living, some are non-living. Now, how can we differentiate between them? दोनों में आप difference कैसे कर सकते हो कि कौन सी living है, कौन सी non-living है? So there are some characteristics of living and non-living things from which we can guess कि this is living thing or that is a non-living thing. So let's study the characteristic. The first characteristic is we will study of living things and non-living things. That is, living things, they move. They move from one place to another. We can move from one place to another. Animals, they can move from one place to another. Plants, they cannot move, but they are considered living. Human beings, animals and plants, they all three are considered as living things. First characteristic that we are studying is living things move. Animals, they can move. Human beings, they can also move from one place to another. Plants, they cannot move from one place to another, but they are considered as living. Why they are considered as living? Now बेटे, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने की क्या जरूरत पड़ती है? Human beings, why do they move from one place to another? Why do animals move from one place to another? We move from one place to another in search of food and shelter. We need food to eat. We need shelter to live. So in search of these things, that is why we move from one place to another. Plants, they are the producers. They make their own food. वो अपना खाना खुद बनाते हैं. That is why they do not move from one place to another, but they show movement in some specific ways. कुछ और तरीके हैं जिनमें वो movement show करते हैं. They don't show movement in going from one place to another, but वो अपनी जगह पे खड़े हुए ही movement show करते हैं. Like there is one plant known as touch me not. टच मी नॉट प्लांट, यू मस्ट हैव सीन इट. उसे मिमोसा भी बोलते हैं. When you touch the leaves of this plant it closes its leaves, and after some time again the leaves they open. So this is how plants they show movement. जगह अपनी पे खड़े हैं plants, but वो movement show कर रहे हैं कि उनके जो leaves हैं वो close हो जाते हैं जब हम उनको touch करते हैं, तो थोड़ी देर बाद वो खुद ही ओपन हो जाते हैं. सो दिस इज हाउ प्लांट्स दे शो मूवमेंट. नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स दे डू नॉट मूव. टेबल, चेयर, बेड, can they move? No, they cannot move, but they only move when we apply force on them, when we move them. जब हम उनको मूव करेंगे वो तभी मूव कर सकते हैं. So this is the first characteristic of living and non-living things. Living things they move, non-living things they do not move. Next is living things grow. Second characteristic, plants and animals they grow. हम देखते हैं कि पहले वो छोटे होते हैं, फिर थोड़ी देर बाद उनकी हाइट बढ़ जाती है. The same way human beings they also grow. Have you seen non-living things growing? कि बेड के साइज बढ़ गया या किसी चेयर का साइज बढ़ गया? No, they do not grow. So this is the second characteristic. Next is living things they breathe. Breathe, सांस ले सकते हैं. They can inhale air. Plants, animals and human beings. We human beings, we breathe. We take in oxygen through the nose. We have nose to breathe. Animals, some animals have nose to breathe. Some have other organs to breathe. Like insects, they have special air holes on their body. छोटी छोटी holes हैं उनकी body के ऊपर जो insects हैं, through which they breathe, through which they take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Plants, they breathe through the tiny holes that are present under the leaves. उनमें भी छोटे छोटे holes होते हैं leaves के नीचे, उन्हें बोलते हैं हम स्टोमेटा. जैसे this is leaf, इसके नीचे वाली साइड पे ऐसे holes हैं that are called stomata. through which plants breathe, जहां से उनकी गैसेस एक्सचेंज होती हैं. Plants give us oxygen and take in carbon dioxide. So this is the next characteristics of living and non-living things. Next, fourth characteristic is living things need food. We need food. Why do we need food? We do a lot of daily activities: washing, cooking, running, jogging. To do these type of activities, we need energy. And from where do we get that energy? We get that energy from food. Our height is growing. हमारी height बढ़ रही है, तो it is increasing day by day. How it is increasing day by day? Because we are taking good food. खाना खा रहे हो तो बढ़ोगे, otherwise you will not grow. Human beings, they need food to grow. They need food to get energy to do the daily activities. Animals, they need food to grow. But plants, they also need food, but they do not need to go to other place to get food. उनको दूसरी जगह नहीं जाना पड़ता खाना लेने के लिए. They make their own food. Green plants, they make their own food. They make own food in the presence of sunlight, air, water and carbon dioxide. ये चीजें चाहिए उनको खाना बनाने के लिए. But non-living things, they do not need food because they do not grow. उनको उनकी में ना तो ग्रोथ होती है, तो खाने का क्या करना है उन्होंने. So they do not need food for anything. Next is living things feel changes. जो भी changes है weather में. It is a hot season, we feel it. हम feel करते हैं कि ये hot है. When winters will come, we will feel cold. But non-living things, they do not feel changes. Animals feel changes around them with the help of the sense organs. Sense organs होते हैं animals में. We have sense organs to feel. We have skin to feel, nose to smell, eyes to see, tongue to taste, ears to hear. So these are the sense organs जिसकी वजह से हम feel कर सकते हैं जो भी changes हो रही हैं हमारे इर्द गिर्द. And the insects, they have special organs for feeling. उनमें special organs होते हैं जिनसे वो feel करते हैं, that are called antenna. ऐसे antenna होते हैं. Grasshopper, other insects, flies, they have antennas to feel changes that help them to feel changes around them. Plants, they do not feel changes around them, but some plants, they feel changes. Like I have told you example of mimosa plant, touch me not plant है जो, it feels changes. How? When you touch it, it closes its leaves for some time and after that it opens its leaves. This is the way in which the plants, they feel changes. Like lotus flower, it opens out at sunrise and closes at night. Plants, they can also feel light and grow towards it. वो light को भी feel कर सकते हैं. जिस तरफ से light आएगी उनको वो feel करके उसी तरफ ही वो grow करते हैं, उसी तरफ भी वो bend हो जाते हैं. This is how plants, they feel changes. So next characteristic is living things reproduce. Reproduce means making सेम कॉपी ऑफ देयर ओन. कि जो एक ऑर्गेनिज्म है वो अपनी तरह की कॉपी बनाता है सेम. लिविंग थिंग्स, दे गिव बर्थ टू देयर यंग वंस. ह्यूमन बींग्स, दे गिव बर्थ टू द बेबीज. उनके ह्यूमन बींग्स बेबीज को बर्थ देते हैं, मीन्स उनकी कॉपी सेम बन गई. द सेम वे एनिमल्स, दे ऑल्सो गिव बर्थ टू यंग वंस. दे ले एग्स, एग्स भी ले करते हैं, एग्स में से उनके जो बच्चे हैं वो निकलते हैं. Plants, they also reproduce, they also make their own copies with the help of the seeds. जैसे seeds आप लगाते हो, from the seed a new plant comes out. This is how plants reproduce. Some plants like carrot, money plant, potato, they give rise to the new plants with the help of their roots, stem or leaves. अगर आप इनकी roots, stem या leaves लगा दो तो उनमें से एक नया plant उग जाएगा. So this is called reproduction, means producing of new organism. नया ऑर्गेनिज्म बनना, that is called reproduction. So these are the but non-living things, they do not reproduce. वो अपनी कॉपी नहीं बना सकते. So this is the main difference between living and non-living things. So we have already gone through this chapter. Now come to the book work and question answers of this chapter.